Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share with you the May Beauty Box from LookFantastic. It is a website based, I believe, in the UK, but it does ship all over Europe and I think maybe even to the US. I'm not really sure about that. But this is a monthly box. It is not a subscription. You can get this for a few months at a time, but I did get this as like a one-time thing for now. I wanted to try it out before diving into it a little more. And I did see a lot of it for previous months online, so a bunch of like other people reviewing it and stuff to see if it's actually worth it in my eyes. And I just decided to go for it and try it out this month. So like I said before, this is the one for May. We are now May 21st when I'm filming this, so it did take a little bit of time to get here, but that's okay. I only ordered it like in the first week of May, I think, which is not too bad. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So first things first, the first thing in here is this little catalog of everything that's inside. It almost looks like a magazine from how many pages this actually has. But I'm assuming this has a bunch of like the pricing and stuff. So I don't want to look at it right now because I don't want to spoil anything for myself. But I will look at it in a second. And then the box itself comes wrapped really cutely with this green tissue paper, which matches the outside box for this month. So that's really cute. And ooh, bunch of stuff. I'm excited. So let's start with the first product in here, which is the Wipe Out Eco-Friendly Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. So this is, I think, a makeup remover cloth, like a reusable one. According to this pamphlet, to be honest, I'm really disappointed that this doesn't have any of the prices. Like, there's a whole magazine and no prices. That's kind of stupid, but I will look it up and write it down here on the screen. But this is basically just a cloth that you can rewash and use it to remove makeup. I do have one of these from a different company, so I know how that works, but it's actually super soft. Like, it's softer than the one that I already own, so that's really nice. I will try it out and tell you what I think about it in the future, but that's the first item. Next in here, I am not really sure what this is, but let's just see. This is a hyaluronic plumping mist. Okay, so it is a spray, and hyaluronic acid is basically something that a bunch of skincare has, and it's really good for hydration as far as I know. It says here that it's created to effectively quench, plump, and brighten the skin throughout the day. So I get that, like it would be good for hydration. So this is nice. I mean, this has 10 milliliters, which is not a ton, but it is a good amount to try it out and see if you like it. This is from the brand Balance Me, which I've never heard of before, but it is nice to give this a shot. Next, we have this brow gel from Ico. So this is a brand that I actually did hear about in the past. Usually I see stuff about their other like eye products, if anything, not really a brow gel, but let's see how this looks. I don't see anywhere on the packaging what kind of shade this is, but it is sort of like a darker brown or maybe like a mid-tone brown. This is what it looks like. It is really, really watery, and I have no idea if this is actually picking up on camera, but this actually has glitter in it. I don't get that. Like, it's sort of like a shine that you would expect to see in an eyeshadow, which I don't want in my brow gel. I mean, even if I use like an eyeshadow for filling in my brows, I would use a matte one. So I don't really get that. It's kind of weird to me, but I will give it a shot. It's not awful looking. I mean, the brush is really nice. It's that smaller type of brush, which I actually really like. So we'll see about this one. Next, we have this product from Korres, which is actually a really good brand. This is a probiotic super dose face mask. Oh, that's really nice. So it has real Greek yogurt. That's really cool. And it's sealed right here. I'm not going to open it right now because I'm not going to put this on my face at the moment. But it says that this is a whipped face mask to instantly cool, hydrate, and nourish skin. That's really cool. It's actually so hot here right now. Like, it's practically 40 degrees outside, which is crazy. So after I take all this makeup off, I think I'll treat myself to some face mask. For the penultimate product in here, we have the Avant Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Seawater Shed Butter Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. That is so long. Okay, so Avant, I've never tried any of their products, but I did see this brand before. So it's nice to give it a shot. This is another hyaluronic acid product, but this one is a moisturizer. So it actually could pair really nicely with that spray that we got earlier. But again, like I said before, hyaluronic acid is really good for absorbing moisture. So putting that in a moisturizer is actually amazing because it will take every other product that's in here, which like I read before, there's a lot of stuff in here like sweet almond, seawater, shea butter, stuff like that. So it will make everything else just take the moisture in even more. Wow, this feels really nice, smells really nice, feels really nice. I'm excited for this. And then the very last product in here is actually super tiny. So it's smaller than my hand. It's really small. It has 4 milliliters or 0.14 fluid ounces, but it is a Dr. Lip Tint. It doesn't say if it's just for the lips. I'm assuming you can also use this for maybe blush and stuff like that, but it is made out of sweet potato pigment. Like, how cool is that? So I'm assuming this brand is all natural or uses natural ingredients. That's actually really nice. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's sort of a jelly consistency. No, so it is definitely more of like a jelly-like lip gloss. So I don't think that you can use this anywhere else other than the lips, but let me just slap that on and see what it looks like. Okay, so I just put it on top of the lipstick I was wearing earlier, but this is what it looks like. It's very glossy and it looks sort of wet on the lips. It's not sticky at all. It sort of feels like an oil on, which I actually really like. And I mean, I'm guessing that, yeah, it says a 100% natural moisturizing tint. So this is basically going to be really good for you because it's all natural ingredients. And then it also says that it's with edible plant-based pigment. So basically if you swallow a little bit of it, which you know everybody does with their lipstick, lip gloss, whatever, just when you speak or anything like that. So this is actually going to not harm you. So that's really nice. Okay, so looking at the pamphlet, booklet, I don't even know what to call this, it actually says that you can use this on cheeks and even as like eyeshadow. She's putting it on her eyelids right here. So it does have like this really beautiful glossy look. So it will stay like that, I'm assuming, on like eyes and cheeks and stuff. I don't know if I would do it for myself, but maybe for a more like editorial look, if you want to take a picture and have it like really shiny, you can do that. I wouldn't do that myself. I would just use this for the lips, which I think looks really cute. So the price for this box was 15 pounds, which is around 18 US dollars. And I think the value in here comes up to more than 150 pounds. I will write the exact number right here after I calculate everything. And I actually really like this box. I think we have some really interesting brands and then we have some ones that I didn't hear about, but then also we get a bunch of really interesting things here that I probably wouldn't have picked up for myself, but I might really enjoy. Like, I really love this tint. I think I'll see if they have more because I like it. It's cute. So is it worth it? I think it is. I will subscribe probably for the next month. But that is everything for this video. If you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe. I will probably continue to do these on a monthly basis. And if you have more boxes that you really like or that you want me to try, please let me know in the comments below and I will try to check them out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this short video and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!